Happy week of writing! All right, I know you guys don't know what this means, but I do want to walk you through what you have to do for our week of writing this week. At some point today, I need for you to scroll down here to where it says modules. When you click on modules, you will notice that there is a new module right here. That is the week of writing module. This week of writing module is going to be there so that you can take care of what needs to be done. When you look at this, you have instructions for what you need to do, and then you have the actual math writing. Let's start with the instructions. The instructions will walk you through everything you need. There is Coach McNeese telling you all about what's happening. There are these important reminders. Remember, for our week of writing, you must be the author of this assignment. You cannot use any outside assistance. And outside assistance also means no computer. It means no dictionary. Don't look anything up. You're just writing. It's just what you're thinking. You write it down. It's no pressure. Okay? Can't use a dictionary. You have to type in English. You don't get to use a different language, and you don't get to make up a language. It has to be regular old-fashioned English words. You have to type at least half a page. Okay? You don't get to type just 2 or 3 sentences. You have to keep going. Now, if you are uncertain of what to do right here, Coach McNeese has set up these nice steps for you, and if you click on each of these play buttons right here, they will tell you what is going on. After you finish going through, and once you know exactly what you're going to do, you are going to click this next button. It is going to take you, look at that, to the math writing. When you get to your math writing right here, this is what it will look like. Remember, no outside assistance can be used. No notes, no looking things up, no dictionary. You have to type in English, has to be a minimum of half a page, and you must have an assignment in all of these subjects. You will have 2 in English, you will have 1 in math, 1 in science, and 1 in social studies. Every single student at Sam Houston completes these writing assignments. Right here. Here we go. In this first space, you will type your full legal name. My name is Mrs. Kopetsky, but I'm not typing Mrs. Kopetsky. I am going to type my actual name, which is Jennifer Kopetsky. I can't put what I go by. I can't put down what my friends call me. I have to type my full name. Okay? Now, I just go down to the next one where I type in my student ID number. You know your student ID number, I know mine. Okay? I type in my student ID number. Now we get to the date. When I type in the date, I have to type in the month, the day, and the year. If you are following my instructions, you should be doing this on February 8th, 2021. If you're not following my instructions, you have to tell me what day of the week you're doing it. Are you doing it on the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th? But right here, this is what you will type for the date. Now your prompts. In the world of math, we don't think about writing about math very often. So we have 3 different math prompts right here. I'm going to tell you, my suggestion is to use the one that makes the most sense. Explain the step-by-step process to solve an equation. Number 2, explain why math is important to you in everyday life. Give an example of this. Talk about a time you used math. Number 3, write about a topic that you have recently learned in your math class and what you think that topic could be used for in your future career. If you want to be an architect, how do you use math in architecture? If you want to be a pilot, if you want to be a I don't know, a teacher. How can you use math? Okay, you pick one of these topics, only one. You come down here and you type a complete paper about the topic that you selected. Do not use any helpful resources for this paper. Everything that you type must come from within your brain. Okay? Now, if you notice, I typed 3 sentences. You have to keep going for the whole amount of space required, which is about half a page or more. Pick one of the topics that you think will allow you to expand and write more stuff. When you're writing about a time or a way that math is important in everyday life, you can give more than one example if you need to. Okay, so I need you to complete this assignment. Once you have done that, you are going to hit submit. After you have submitted your assignment, you are done with the math portion of your week of writing. Wow, that's so amazing. All right, so make sure you get this done as quickly as possible. This is one of the most important things that we do all year. I need you to get it done, I need you to get it submitted, and this will count as a grade in the grade book, and it can only help your grade. That is what has been decided. So get it done, get that grade, help your grade in geometry, do your math writing. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a good week of writing.